Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with the time zone setting being grayed out on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be enable location service if they are not currently enabled. In order to do that, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down. Under the app permissions click on location. In here you just need to turn on the location service and let app access your location. You just need to turn it on, and after both of it turn it on, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. If you attempt to go back in and modify your time zone settings, you can able to do that. If you're still having issue, then you just need to go to registry and manually change in there guys. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Right click on it and select run as administrator and select as guys. Now in the registry you just need to expand the HKey local machine and system folder and current control set, and now you just need to expand the services, and now you just need to search for TZ auto update. Just need to click on anything here and type TZ in keyboard. Comes up TZ auto update. At this point you just need to know the file path location. In my video I will zoom in. After that on right side you just need to double click on the start. So if you want to set time zone automatically, then you just need to set this value data to 3. So if you want to disable this time zone automatically, you just need to set this to 4. For disabling time zone automatically, you just need to type here 4. For enabling time zone automatically, you just need to set to 3. I'm gonna enable it guys. Click on OK for save changes. And after doing it, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.